Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I am Hasrin Maulana Fahad from STEM 12 section 5. So for today, I am going to discuss about animal digestive system. So first one, what is digestion? So we all know that digestion is a process of breaking down feed into simple substances that can be absorbed by the body. So absorption is the taking of the digested parts of the feed or food into the bloodstream. So the digestive system consists of the parts of the body involved in chewing and digesting food. So this system also moves the digested feed through the animal's body and absorbs the products of the digestion. Different species of animals are better able to digest certain types of feeds than others. So this difference occurs because of the various types of digestive systems found in animals. So there are four basic types of digestive systems: monogastric digestive system, avian digestive system, ruminant, and pseudo-ruminant digestive system. So what is monogastric digestive system? Monogastric digestive system has one simple stomach. The stomach secretes acid resulting in a low pH of 1.5 to 2.5. The low pH destroys most bacteria and begins to break down the feed materials. Animals with this type of digestive system are better adapted to eat rations high in concentrates. So concentrates are highly digestible feedstuffs that are high in energy and low in fibers. So concentrates are typically 80 to 90% digestible. So common concentrates are cereal grains and oil meals. So cereal grains include corn, wheat, barley, and oats. So oil meals naman include soybean meal, linseed meal, and cottonseed meal. So there are examples of monogastric animals, no? There are hogs, cats, dogs, humans, kadalasan ay pets, and also humans. The second kinds of animal digestive system is avian digestive system. So avian digestive system is found in poultry. Usually sa poultry lang siya. This system differs greatly from any other type. Since poultry do not have teeth, there is no chewing. Poultry break their feed into pieces small enough to swallow by pecking with their beaks or scratching with their feet. So feed enters the mouth, then travels to the esophagus and empties directly into the crop. So what is the crop? Crop is where the food is stored and soaked. So food then moves from the crop to the proventriculus, the secreted. So from the proventriculus, the food makes its way to the gizzard. The gizzard is a very muscular organ which normally contains grit or stones that function like teeth to grind the food. So the food then moves from the gizzard to the small intestine and then to the large intestine. So the non-digestible food components then travel into the cloaca. So cloaca, yun yung lalabasan din ng urine ng isang poultry. So the material is then passed out of the body through the gland. Digestion in the avian system is very rapid. The third one is ruminant digestive system. So what is ruminant digestive system? It is the four types of the compartment in the ruminant digestive system. So the first and largest section of the stomach is the rumen. In the rumen, solid feed is mixed and partially broken down. The rumen contains millions of bacteria and other microbes that promote fermentation, which breaks down the rophages. The rumen also contains microorganisms that synthesize amino acids and B-complex vitamins. Amino acids are the building blocks of the proteins and are essential for the growth and maintenance of the cells. Reticulum is the second segment of the stomach. The reticulum is a small pouch on the side of the rumen that traps foreign materials such as wire, nails, and so forth. Since ruminants do not chew their food before swallowing, they will occasionally swallow foreign objects. The omasum is the third compartment of the stomach. The omasum produces a grinding action on the feed and removes some of the water from the feed. Hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes are mixed with feed in the omasum. So the fourth one is abomasum. Abomasum is the fourth compartment of the stomach. So the abomasum is also referred to as the true stomach because it is similar in monogastric animals. The rumen microorganisms. Ruminants usually rely on microorganisms of the digestion of rophages. The rumen microorganisms are very diverse and consist of bacteria, protozoa, and fungi. So bacteria are the most numerous rumen microorganisms at approximately 1 billion bacteria per ml of rumen fluid. Bacteria are responsible for most feed digestion in the rumen. So they break down cellulose to form volatile fatty acids, or usually known as VFAs. The VFAs provide the ruminant with 60 to 80% of its energy needs. So protozoa are typically responsible for about 25% of the fiber digestion in the rumen, even though a ruminant can survive without any protozoa in the rumen. So fungi contribute up to 8% of the total rumen microorganisms. So fungi are responsible for the digestion of cellulose and lining in more resistant forages such as barley, straw. Conversion and rate of gain in a ruminant are strongly affected by the type of by the type and number of the microorganisms in the rumen. So the rumen must contain appropriate proportions of certain types of microorganisms to maximize productivity. So for example, it is believed that protozoa can have a negative impact on protein utilization. The number of protozoa in the rumen is inversely proportionate to the number of bacteria. So therefore, if a ruminant is fed in a manner that is most conducive to bacteria in the rumen, protein utilization will be maximized by eliminating or reducing the number of protozoa in the rumen. So to illustrate, feeding yeast culture to cattle could help to ensure a healthy population of rumen bacteria. So the fourth animal digestive system is the pseudo-ruminant digestive system. So a pseudo-ruminant is an animal that eats large amounts of roughage but does not have a stomach with several compartments. So the digestive system does some of the same functions as those ruminants. So for example, in the horse, the cecum, what do you pronounce that? The cecum ferments forages. An animal with a pseudo-ruminant digestive system can utilize large amounts of roughages because of the greatly enlarged cecum and large intestine, which provide areas for microbial digestion of fiber. So pseudo-ruminants often eat forages as well as grains and other concentrated feeds. Besides horses, examples of pseudo-ruminants are rabbits, guinea pigs, and hamsters. So that's all.